Your Honor, I would pray that you look at the 4 items that have been raised by the prosecution in making this application. Number 1, they are saying that they need to keep her for 14 days. 1, because they have already seized her phone. 2, because they have recovered some shoes and other items from her house, from the house she was occupying, together with a third party. 3, because they want to do some analysis in respect to a motor vehicle belonging to the accused. And lastly, because they want to extract DNA samples from her for purposes of the investigations. In their own words, for purposes of conducting forensic examination. And Your Honor, we pray that you reflect on those 4 items. With this question, Your Honor, does any of those warrant or necessitate the need to keep her incarcerated?
Your Honor, also taking note that it's not just, you have to note that the general nature of the evidence that which the suspect has been arrested on, it's relating to serious offenses, which might be murder, accessory to murder, maybe in relation to issues of firearms. These are not light offenses, these are serious offenses. And this has been alluded to by the investigating officer.
So this court has gone through the contents of the affidavit, as shown by Chief Inspector Otieno, and I'm convinced that compelling reasons do exist to warrant detention in custody. So in the interest of justice, I've granted the prosecution 10 days to detain the suspect at Gilgil Police Station. I've also directed that an advocate should be allowed access while she's in custody, and that she should not be forced to record any statement in the absence of an advocate.
Unataka siku ngapi na unapiga kabisa?
Napiga kabisa sitakuwa.
Yes.